How I built Next.js quiz application, the quiz management. This is the admin panel. Just click put all JSON format by the formatting any Gemini AI or any ML AI. So they put it and import JSON automatically. Like I am putting it here. So there is some issue, so we need to solve it. And the quiz is this. When you reload the page, showing the quiz. Okay, and code is this. So where we are reading code, completely access and Prisma and source RF and tailwind API. Both are controlled, everything here. This is a very simple application.